Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup for diet. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, like cremini or button, for a rich, earthy base. Make sure to select a low-sodium vegetable broth to keep it healthy. A small amount of olive oil, perhaps 1 tablespoon, is perfect for sautéing. This simple start ensures a delicious and diet-friendly meal. Now let's get cooking. Begin by slicing your mushrooms thinly. Heat your olive oil in a large pot over medium heat, then add the mushrooms. Sauté them until they've released their liquid and started to brown, which concentrates their flavor. Next, stir in some minced garlic and your favorite herbs, like thyme or rosemary, for about 1 minute. Finally, pour in 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes. To achieve that lovely creamy texture without adding heavy cream, you'll want to blend part of your soup. Carefully transfer about 1/3 of the soup to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until smooth, then return it to the pot and stir everything together. This creates a satisfying thickness. Finish by seasoning with freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt, adjusting to your preference for a perfect, diet-friendly bowl. Your delicious and healthy mushroom soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a garnish of fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for an extra cheesy flavor. This soup is perfect for a light lunch or a comforting dinner, fitting perfectly into a balanced diet. Remember, a healthy meal can be incredibly flavorful and satisfying. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.